Now we continue practice about exponential equation in quadratic form. Question D, you got 2x and minus 6 2x minus 3 and minus 8 here. And I want to rewrite this one in form of 2x and then outside you got square multiply equal to 6 multiply 2 to power x minus 8 like here. And then I will take substitution for 2 to power of x equal to t. The condition about t have to be greater than 0. The left hand side will be t squared, the right hand side 6 times t minus 8. Convert this become to quadratic form. Move both the transposing both the right hand side to left hand side. You got minus 6t and plus 8 here equal to 0. So factorizing, I think this is quite easy. Minus 2t plus 8 here equal to 0. And t minus 4 will multiply with t minus 2. For this one, you got two options of t equal to 4 and the second one t equal to 2. And both these values greater than 0, so I can choose all of them. And 4 equal to t, this means 2x equal to 4. 2 to power of x here, this means x equal to 2 for the first one, and the second one is mean x equal to 1. For question D now, you got two solutions. X equal to 1 is satisfy all condition, and x equal to 2 is satisfy all condition. Yeah, that is question D. Move to question E. You got 3 to power of x. Yeah, okay. 3 to power of x. So I think you understand about this kind of question, right? So I can use the substitution method immediately. 3 to power of x equal to t now. And the question will become to 8 times t minus 6 equal to 2 and t squared. Here equal to 0. 2 times t squared minus 8t and plus 6 this one. And then factorizing, take 2 outside, t squared minus 4t plus 3. And this bracket multiply 2 equal to 0. So the next one, I don't need to care about 2 anymore. It have to be this bracket equal to 0. So for this one, t squared minus 3t minus t plus 3 like here. So t minus 3 and then 3t minus 1. Okay. So here will be 0. This one is 0. After that, you got t equal to 3 and t equal to 1. 3 equal to 3x and 1 equal to 3x. Okay. The first solution, x equal to 1. The second solution, x equal to 0. Yeah, we finished this one. That is question E. Okay, and question F. Yeah, move to question F. I can take substitution right now. 2 to power of x will be t. And you got 2x here. This means t squared minus 20t here and plus 64 now equal to here. Yeah, so how can I solve in this one? Yeah, I will separate 20 become to minus 16t minus 4t and plus 64. Factorizing method, t minus 16 and then you got t minus 4 equal to 0. Two solutions for t. The first one is 16 and the second one is equal to 4. Yeah, 16 you got 2 to power of x, 4 2 to power of x. This one you got 8 equal to 4. The next one you got x equal to 2 now. Yeah, that is question F. Okay, go on for the last three questions. About question G now, I will take substitution for h equal to t. So t squared minus 5t plus 4 equal to 0. So t minus 1 multiply with t minus 4 equal to 0. T equal to 1 and t equal to 4 equal to 4 to power of x equal to 4 to power of x equal to 0 now, and x equal to 1 now. And next one for question 8, you got here is 3t squared equal to 28 times t minus 9. Okay, so 3t squared minus 28t plus 9 now. Separate 28 become to 27t and minus t one more time. And then you got 3t outside, t minus 9. Minus 1 will be here, t minus 9. The factorizing method for this one is a little bit harder. T minus 9 multiply with 3t minus 1 equal to 0. So t equal to 9 and t equal to 1 over 3. So 3h equal to 9. H equal to 2. For this one, h equal to negative 1. I think you can understand it by yourself. I hope that. Okay, that is question G and question 8 and question 8. And the last question I. Okay, the last one. For yeah, that is the last one. For question I now, 7. Okay, 7h equal to t. And 7t squared now minus 8 times t now plus 1 now equal to 0. And 7t squared minus 7t minus t plus 1 equal to 0. 7t will be taken outside, t minus 1. Take minus 1 outside for the second term you got here. And then factorizing now, t equal to 1. 7t minus 1 equal to 0. This means t equal to 1 equal to 7 over 7 to power of 6. It means h equal to 0. The next one is t equal to 1 over 7. This means 7 to power of minus 1 equal to 7 to power of h equal to minus 1. Yeah, that's it.